If you cannot believe, could have been in this trade since this point. The thing I need to learn is how to hold my trade. Still gonna have to work on that. Hello. Welcome to the stream, guys. I took some trades this morning. This was one of the best trade. This was looking like bullish flag. Got in here, right here, 1070.75. Let it ride till 11693. Could have got more profit if I hold it. Just didn't wanna hold it for much more long time. Hold it here. Took profit about $950 something. Now just we're gonna wait and let's see what happens. Market wants to reject from here. Recently 5-minute chart, 15-minute charts helping me a lot. Looks like it because they are more clearer than 22 range chart where we just follow the trend. And yeah, let's see how it goes today as well. With 5-minute chart and everything, we're gonna hold the trades for a long time, longer than usual. We can take a reference as a 22 range. Where is the rejection point? Where is the volume building in? But just gonna try to check out more as a what happening on 15-minute chart. This is the rejection point, as you can see, as a downside. This was a beautiful trade. Could have been a more good entry here, not here, because this was a rejection point, as you can see, to the downside. Support level, took that support and ripped it to the next resistance, which is right here. Looks like we wanna rip through. There is I guess no news coming out today, which is important. We can test this level again, 22. Just gonna put buy order here and let's see what happens. If it is that 22 level again or not. Market has just opened, so it will be very risky to take this trade. But let's try it. There you go, ripping through. Just wanted to test 22 level here. If it doesn't happen, it's fine. Gonna take my loss and yeah, it's gonna fill me out. Yeah, got filled out for around $105 loss. Gonna let the market settle down. Let's see what 15-minute chart has to say. Nothing much. Yeah, there we go. That's the push I wanted. But market wanted to just test this level and we're gonna test 22 next. If we break through 22, as you can see here, 23 is a rejection point. We can go till next stop is 858, something around there. There you go, the push to the 20, 23, 26. That was a rejection point, so I'm just gonna try to get some profit back. There you go, got filled out for $210 profit. So we are back in green for today. I think we're gonna reject back again from that exact point, as you can see, and test this support again around this area. There we go, testing that again. If we break that level, there we go, breaking that level. Want it to come back and 23, test 23 again around this area. If this doesn't act as a support, I'm out of this trade. This area acting as a support, got a breakout or rip from the upside. As you can see, we broke through that level. Just gonna book some profit here if it doesn't rip through the whole process. The next stop, as I said, could be, there you go, that's a push. Need some buyers or I'm gonna get filled out here. Yeah, got filled out here for $150. There you go. I'm just gonna for next trade, I'm just gonna wait for it to settle down and come back and make this area as a support area and then go back. Because if it's like all the way no pullback, push to the upside, I just don't want to get in that. As I said, if we keep pushing this, the next stop you will find is this level 277. There are some rejection point at 869, 867. Trying to find a point where I can get in this. Need a little bit pullback from the top. Make this level as a 233 support. Waiting for the pullback where I can get in this trade. This was a good entry point, as you can see, from EMS, moving average. Look at that push that I was talking about. 79 through 80s. The next stop is 842. If we keep pushing, looking for buyers here, it's gonna take a week long. and I'm out of that trade as well. I know we're gonna rip through all that rejection point here, but I was in 2 contracts, so 350 is not bad. Yeah, there you go, breaking all that level. If you cannot believe, could have been in this trade since this point, it was 670 to 800, which is almost 130 point on one contract. I was in at 670 with 2 contract, so 260 point. Now you count how much profit would have been on that trade. 1 point is $20, 260 cross to, I'm just gonna need calculator for that. I think 72 something, $5,000 contract, and we are still ripping, as you can see. If I would have held this, the thing I need to learn is how to hold my trade, where to put my stop loss. Still gonna have to work on that. You are never 100% ready for any trade, because as I said before this rip came in, that the next stop is for us on, let's see if we see in 30-minute chart, 909 something, exactly 879. So that is our next stop if we continue with these buyers in everything. 879. So let's see how it goes. We are not in trade right now, but we are currently at $490, as you can see on screen right there in the left corner. I was in red when I started morning session. I think around $700-800 loss. Then I took that trade, which gave me around 900 something dollars. So I came back in green, then I went back in like red, and then on stream I came back in green again. So but we are cool. Just gonna take quick long here. Buyers are not stopping. Give it a $200 freedom to the downside. There you go, the push. Just afraid that we just don't lose this momentum to the upside. Now I'm out of the trade. Give me a lot of ride, 630, and now it's pushing back. There was a small pullback. It could be the rotation to the downside as well. Just gonna test this rotation. There you go, slapping that. If there are enough sellers, we're gonna test this view up here, right here, which is 760 level. If not, there was a pullback, you can say. We'll find out. Yeah. Just gonna hide this, my PNL doesn't look good. Time to go into beast mode. There was a chop. We got into all this. I think eventually we are moving to the upside. Keep my stop tight, where let it ride to the upside. As you can see, we are making move to the upside. Got filled out for, I don't know what market wants to do. It was much clearer today morning. I think the day doesn't seem to going in my way, even though I can see the trend clearly going to the upside. Did have a good move in the other account where I got around $1,000 trade, not in this account. So I think I'm gonna just take off. Doesn't want to hang out in a day where I cannot see market clearly right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, be smart, be patient.